students, welcome to SV Union High School and Junior College. Students of Standard 5th are welcome to my YouTube channel. Students, let's start with Maths for Standard 5, question number 2, word problem. Hello students, we are going to start with problem set number 14, textbook page number 16. As you can see it over here on the blackboard, I have written the question which is also called as word problem. Now in the textbook they have given as a part of Avoid Plastic campaign, each of the 745 students made 25 paper bags. What was the total number of paper bags made? Now they have given the number of students and number of paper bags where every student has prepared. Total number of students are 745, number of bags prepared are 25. As you can see, 745 is underlined and 25 paper bags are also underlined. So we have to multiply 745 into 25. Now let's start with the calculation. Okay students, let's start with answer. So the number of students were 745. We will be writing here. Number of students, let's draw a line over here, 745. Now we will start with the paper bags prepared by each student. As we know, how many bags were prepared? 25. So let's write in the statement paper bags prepared by each student. How many paper bags everyone? 25. So we are going to write 745 number of students, paper bags prepared by each students 25, and we are going to multiply. Now let's start with the multiplication. As we know, 3 digits number 745, 25, 2 digits number. 5 is standing in the units place, 2 is standing in the tens place. Now we are not going to do it carry forward up, okay? If possible you can make a rough work over here or just let us do mentally. 5 5s are 25, 2 carried up, 5 returned down. 5 4s are 20, 20 plus 2 becomes 22. So 2 written down, again 2 carried mentally. 7 5 becomes 35, 35 plus 2 becomes 37. So the answer is 3725. Now we are going to do the calculation for 2 which is standing in the tens place. So we are going to write it here 0. Then 2 5 becomes 10, 1 carried up, 0 written down. 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 1 becomes 9, 7 2s are 14. So let's write 14. Now which sign we are going to do? We have to add the tens and units and the tens. So addition signature, addition sign. 5 plus 0 becomes 5, 2 plus 0 becomes 2, 7 plus 9 becomes 16, 1 carried up, 6 written down, 3 plus 4 becomes 7, 7 plus 1 becomes 8, and no number over here, so directly we are going to write as 1. So the total number of paper bags prepared by students were 18,625. Now let's write this in the statement. How are we going to write? We are going to write total number of bags prepared. In the same line we are going to write, okay? Total number of bags prepared. So we know the answer. Total number of bags prepared were 18,625. So in the answer form we are going to write as 18,625 paper bags were prepared. Now this was word problem as a part of Avoid Plastic campaign. Each of the 745 students made 25 paper bags. What was the total number of paper bags made? The total number of paper bags were made are 18,625. Let's start with the third solution. Now students, we are going to start with the third word problem, that is, in a plantation 215 saplings of medicinal plants have been planted in each of the 132 rows. How many saplings altogether are there in the plantations? Now they have given already 215 saplings, medicinal plants have been planted. In every row there are 132. So let's tally answer of how many saplings altogether are there in the plantation. So we have to multiply 215 into 132. So let's start with the word problem. So let's start with the answer. Saplings in each row. Saplings in each row. Then we are going to write the statement as number of rows. Number of rows. At last we are going to write the total number of saplings. Saplings in each row were 215 and number of rows were how many? 132. 132. Now what we are going to do? We have to multiply. Now as you can see it very clearly over here students, there are 3-digit numbers. 3-digit numbers up, 3-digit number down. So first we are going to do the calculation with 2 which is standing in the units place. Then we are going to calculate with 3 which is in the tens place. Then we are going to calculate with 1 which is in the hundreds place. So let's calculate with first units. 2 fives are, then 2 ones are, and then 2 twos are. 2 fives are 10, 0 carried, 0 written down, 1 should be carried mentally. 2 ones are 2 plus 1 becomes 3, 2 twos are 4. So we have got the answer for the unit which is number 2. What is the answer? It is 430. Now let's do the calculation with 3 which is in the tens place. So what are we going to do? We are going to first write 0. Why this 0? Because this 0 is standing in the tens place. Then we have to multiply 3 fives are, 3 ones are, and 3 twos are. Let's do the calculation. 3 fives are 15. 5 written down, 1 should be carried mentally. 3 ones are 3 plus 1 becomes 4 and 3 twos are 6. Now we have got the answer for 3, that is 6,450. Now let's do the calculation with 1 which is standing in the hundreds place. So how many 0 students? There are 2 zeros. This is unit 0 and this is tens 0. See, one below the other only I have written it. Now 1 fives are, 1 ones are, and 1 twos are. Let's do the calculation. 1 fives are 5, 1 ones are 1, 1 twos are 2. Now what are we going to do? We are going to add. After adding we will get the final answer, that the number of saplings. Let's start with the addition. Now 0 plus 0 plus 0 becomes 0. 3 plus 5 plus 0 becomes 8. 4 plus 4, 8. 8 plus 5 becomes 13. 3 carried down, 3 written down, 1 should be carried mentally. 6 plus 1, 7, 7 plus 1 becomes 8 and 2 because no numbers have been written. So what is the final answer? The final answer is 28,380. Now let's write in this words. So we are going to write total number of saplings. You have to write it in the straight line itself. Total number of saplings. We got the final answer, that is 28,380. Let's write in the answer. They have given the question over here, how many saplings all together are there in the plantation. The same wordings we are going to take it down and write. There are all together. So we have got the final answer. The final answer are, there are altogether 28,380 saplings in the plantation. Now students, you must be knowing it how the word problems are solved. See over here, the question is written, right, and then we have done the solution. The question was, in a plantation 215 saplings of medicinal plants have been planted in each of the 132 rows. How many saplings altogether are there in the plantation? This is the question, and how we have written the answer? We have written the answer in this form. So you have to first write saplings in each row are 215, number of rows are 132, then we are going to do the multiplication and we get the answer as total number of saplings. In the answer we have written, there are all 8,380 saplings in the plantations. Let's start with the fourth sum, everyone. Okay students, let's start with the fourth sum. Word problem. The cost of a computer is rupees 27,540. How much will 18 such computers cost? Now they have given the cost of one computer is 27,540. Now we have to find out 18 computers cost. Okay students, now let's start with the word problem solution. So students, we are going to find out the cost of 18 computers. Therefore, how many times we have to multiply? We have to multiply for 18, right? The cost of one computer is 27,540. So we have written cost of one computer is 27,540. Let's find out the cost of 18 computers. Therefore, the cost of 18 computers are, so the cost of 18 computers we have to multiply with 18. Now here you can see it is 27,540 and here is 18. 8 is standing in the units place, 1 is standing in the tens place. So we have to multiply. Let's have the calculation. Let's start students with the calculation. 8 zeros are 0, 8 fours are 32, 3 carried, 2 returned down, 8 fives are 40, 40 plus 3 becomes 43, 3 returned down, 4 carried, 8 sevens are becomes 56, 56 plus 4 becomes 60, right everyone? 6 carried up, 0 returned down, 8 twos are 16, 16 plus 6 16 plus 6 becomes 22. Now we have to do the calculation for 1 which is standing in the tens place. So 0 we have to write it here down. 1 zeros are 0, 1 fours are 4, 1 fives are 5, 1 sevens are 7 and 1 twos are 2. Now we have to do addition. Okay, now let's do with the addition. 0 plus 0 becomes 0, 0 plus 2 becomes 2, 3 plus 4 becomes 7, 5 plus 0 becomes 5, 2 plus 7 becomes 9 and 2 plus 2 becomes 4. So the answer 4,95,720. So the cost So we are going to write the cost. What will be the cost? The cost of 18 such computers is 4,95,720. So students, we have completed the second word problem, third and fourth. Now let's start with the fifth, sixth and seventh one. Okay students, we have completed. Now keep on practicing maths word problem. We will see in the next part of the video on my YouTube channel the next word problems. Till then, keep on practicing. Thank you everyone.